Natrix shoe sorter, how to replace the sliding shoe. Items required. For safety, always lock out power source and follow recommended safety procedures. Turn off the filter regulator. Deactivate the chain monitoring switch by turning the switch downward. Move the maintenance zone to the charge end. Remove safety rails on each side. On each side, remove bolts to the carrier profiles and sorter slats. Lift to remove the sorter slats and slide the shoe off. Install the new sliding shoe on the sorter slats. Reinstall the slats and the shoes. Important: make sure the sliding shoe is in the proper path and moves smoothly. Reinstall the slat and carrier profile bolts. Caution: when reinstalling the slat rail bolts, take care as the bolts can easily become cross-threaded. Activate the switch. Turn on the power and the filter regulator. Start maintenance test run. Warning: before the maintenance test run, inspect for loose hardware and tools in the sorter frame, as this may cause the system to crash on startup. Start the maintenance run. Reinstall the safety rails on each side. For more MHS Conveyor videos, visit mhs-conveyor.com.